Hey Nagios Community, Benjamin here, and this video is all about diving into the Nagios Core Services Platform download, looking at more details into the files and folders included. There may be some fun things you'd like to see in here, and if you are running Nagios Core, you can incorporate it into there, and you'll also get a better idea on what's already included in Nagios XI. So let's dive right in. Starting off, I have a folder open here called CSP-latest. That is what I got after unzipping the file I downloaded from nagios.org. So starting from the top here, we have obviously the OVA file, which is our virtual machine that contains the Nagios XI install that we used in the installation video. We have the special license for this CSP, which is personal, non-commercial use. And that's free forever, so you can access the best of Nagios with Nagios XI and all of its features for your home lab or your nonprofit endeavor. What else? We have the README, we have the changes, we have the installation guide, and then we have 3 folders here: A-Team, Extras, and Parts. And we'll work backwards on this one. Starting off with Parts, this folder contains a lot of subcomponents that really extend the power of Nagios. Actually, we have Nagios in here. We have Nagios Core here as a tarball, as well as the XI install tarball. But then we have these components like Nagios plugins, the latest release of that. We have different NCPA installation files, depending on where you want to install that agent. And then we have NDO utils and NRPE. And so these are the great subcomponents that really extend the power of Nagios. They're already pre-baked into XI. You can obviously deploy the agent of NCPA out on other devices. And then you can add these to Core as well if you want to support them and maintain them in your Core deployment. So that's Parts. And then we have Extras. This is a collection of agents and front ends and other modules and plugins that you can check out. Maybe you want to add it to your Nagios Core deployment, or if you're running XI, if it's not already pre-included, you can try including that as well and go from there. So we got agents in here, we got NRDP, and then if you don't know if something is about, you just open up the PDF and you can read all about it. Go down here to the description. You can read about what NRDP is. You can look at NRPENT. Go down here and look at what that agent does. And then got NS client right here. Nag event log. Let's check out what this one's about. It's an agent for Windows that sends filtered event log messages from Windows machines directly to NSCA, allowing you to receive alerts from Nagios. All right, so that's some of the agents. And then the same thing for the front ends. Here you can change the look and feel and interactions with your Nagios Core program. You got maps here. We got NagMap Reborn, NagViz. That's already pre-included with XI, but it's here if you want to deploy it elsewhere. And then we got Mod Gearman here as a module. And then plugins. These are some of the plugins off the exchange. There's so many plugins on the exchange. You can check it out for yourself at exchange.nagios.org. And from here, the community has uploaded over 4,000 plugins. For example, you go here to project category down to plugins, over 4,800. And then go down here and you can see all these different subcategories of plugins. So you can literally monitor almost anything you can imagine. And if there's not something here that you feel is missing, you can go right in and develop your own plugin and upload it and share it with the rest of the world. So this is such a great resource. Check that out as well. And also, if you're in XI and you're like, well, what plugins do I already have? Well, obviously I showed you in another video the configuration wizards. Those are ultimately kind of like a front end side accessing all kinds of plugins to monitor these various things. But to actually find out what plugins are installed, you just can search for plugins and click on manage plugins here, and then you can actually see which plugins are installed. You can download them, you can delete them, and then at the very top here, you can actually upload a plugin. So if you download one from the exchange or from this CSP download folder, you can click browse and upload it right there, right in XI. It's pretty simple. So yeah, that's a little bit more into how to find out what exactly is included in the CSP downloads. And hope you find something that you like, and let us know what your favorite plugin is. But before we go, last but not least, my favorite folder is this folder called the A Team. And this is a collection of photos from the team that we've assembled, showing just the fun and the hard work we put in over the years, working together, doing some team gatherings, a conference. We have Ludmil and Ethan here, and some training. And so basically, from company expansions and company meetings, we're just here working hard and playing hard, working to make sure that you have the best tools possible. And so we wanted to share a little bit of our story and journey along the way. So check this out. You can look through the memories, and we're making more each day. So thanks so much for being such a valued part of the Nagios community. Thanks for downloading the Core Services platform. Dig around and check it out, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this one and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're making content for you all the time. So happy monitoring, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.